Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today's reading is about no contact, no communication situation for Sagittarius. So, the cards are already shuffled, and this is the general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So, let's see what the cards have for you. Okay. So, the current energy between you and your person as of now is okay. So, here I see there is a mental cage. Okay. You have kind of created scenarios in your mind. Maybe you are overthinking things, over analyzing things, and kind of creating different scenarios in your mind and being trapped in in your own mental cage. Okay, situation may not be that worse how you're kind of imagining it in your mind, and just making it more difficult. So you need to see that if you can come out of this energy, so you can clearly see the things and move out of that uncomfortable situation. Okay, let's see what are the thoughts of the person for you here. So the person you are not in contact with, okay, I see basically here they think that Sagittarius is not, learning from the past experiences, and also that you kind of follow an old pattern or an old belief which is kind of creating this issue or this blockage. Okay, it can be not being too much emotionally available, it can be too much emotionally available, either anyway, right? It is excess of anything is not good, and learning from the past mistakes is also not good. So because the universe works that way, right? If you will not learn your lessons from the mistake, you will have to, universe will keep putting you on the same test again and again, right? So that is what is happening. You reach a certain height and believing your old old beliefs, following old beliefs, following old traditions, and after reaching a certain height you are again back to scratch. Okay, somehow. And that is what I think the universe is trying to teach you something, and you need to learn from that situation. And that is what your person is also thinking, that you are kind of repeating the same old pattern, and you're not coming or letting yourself release from that old belief and grow. Okay, so that is why I think somewhere the situation is kind of getting difficult between you both. Okay, let's see what does the person feel for you here. Okay, you make this person feel good, that is no doubt. You make them feel happy, you kind of make them feel, love their own energy and love your own energy. They kind of feel innocent, they like your energy, they feel good about it. But even after feeling all this, I think there is something you need to, you know, look into and work on it. That is how I think the situations might turn in a positive way. Let's see why have they gone silent, why the person is not reaching out to you, why are they not making any move here. So here I see the person is kind of looking for balance. Okay, I think, as I said, you might be creating some scenarios in your mind and overthinking and following old belief. So it can be like you are too much focused on your work and not giving enough time at an emotional level to your person, or too much at an emotional level that you are not able to focus on your work. So basically you need to create a balance. You need to have that equal give and take kind of thing also, is what I see. There can be, if there is something like you keep it to yourself, you do not like to share, then you need to work on that as well. Because if the person will not feel connected, it will be very difficult for them to open up and move forward. So if that is the case, that is also one of the reason that they are not able to reach out, because they are not sure whether if they will express and you will easily and clearly understand what they are trying to say or trying to communicate. Okay, it can, there I feel there is a lack of emotional connect between you and the person. Okay, so if that is the case, try to work on that and try to be emotionally available to the person. Okay, let's see what is blocking this connection. Okay, see, justice. So they are waiting for a fair treatment. They are waiting for a fair treatment. If situation between you and the person have gone to a legal extent, then they are waiting for the justice to be served. They are waiting for the the justice to be in their favor. If not, if it is a general condition, then they are still they are waiting for themselves to be treated in a fair way. Okay, if they are being only available at an emotional level or at a financial level, and they are not getting enough support or reciprocation from you, then they will not be it will not be easy for them also to always keep giving, because in a relation it's a equal give and take, right? So that is kind of energy, and they are waiting for the justice. They are kind of waiting for a fair treatment for whatever has happened between you guys. Okay, let's see if there is any next move, if any, by in 1 to 2 weeks they are going to take. Okay, I see they are taking time to figure out what is that which has caused this much of issue in the relation, in the connection. And I also see sorry, and I also see that there is they are focusing on kind of the things which have already happened between you guys, and it's kind of missed. Okay, so I also see like they need to change their perspective also at some point, so that they can reach the destination. But currently they are trying to create a balance between this what at an emotional level, at a spiritual level, and at a material level, all these things. Okay, so I don't see a move happening as of now in next 1 to 2 weeks, because they are taking their own time to figure out how they can deal with the situation in a balanced way. Okay, what is the advice for you here, Sagittarius? Let's see. Okay, so advice for you here is to work on yourself. Okay, it can be focusing on your material growth. It can be focusing on creating an emotional balance. It can also be creating a balance between your emotional and financial, or the work life and the personal life. It needs to here it's like the advice for you is to upgrade your skills. Okay, skills doesn't mean only at a work level, right? It also means at an emotional level, how you are going to provide an emotional support to your partner, and how you can make yourself better in that. Okay, so the basic advice here is to work on yourself. Try to upgrade yourself, try to be more available, try to be more patient. And at an emotional level, to get that balance, you can also go for some meditation. Okay, do some meditation activity, so that it will help you to create emotional balance. And at a work level, you need to upgrade your knowledge. You can get a new course, register yourself for a new course or a new habit. Okay, that will help you to grow your knowledge and your wisdom. Okay, so yeah, that's the general reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.